If you're watching this, congratulations! You've just chosen to be like person B. But first, do you have experience in sales? If your answer is yes, then there's a great opportunity waiting for you at Instabuild.ph. If your answer is no, and you're new to this career, you have nothing to worry about. Our team will help you make the most of your time even with no sales experience. Being an agent/project consultant is a high risk, which makes it a high reward profession. We assume that you're just as hardworking and a risk taker as person B. So here's a list of what you need to be part of our growing sales team. 1 valid ID. No sales experience, but recommended. And time. Just an hour usage of social media. Well then, are you ready to generate income with our team? Then wait no longer. Send your requirements today at DannyLos1434567 @gmail.com and let's get started.